Hello, we're going to try to restore the headlights on a 2007 Honda Accord. This is how it looks after the 1000 grit sandpaper. Here's how the headlight looks after the 3000 grit sandpaper. This is how it looks after the plastics polishing. Looking better, not perfect. I've done it a few times. If I have to do it a few more times, and we'll coat it. Put the headlight sealant on. Now we're done. It's not perfect, but it looks a lot better than it did. Had a lot of yellowing. It's a decent DIY fix. The Meguiar headlight kit got the headlights looking good. It's not perfect. You can still see some imperfections, but it's decent. So I've used other ones. I used the Rain-X one. I've used other hand. I definitely recommend the one with the drill, and this one looks pretty decent. So I would try the Meguiars if you're looking to restore your headlights. This time I tried the Meguiar's headlight kit. I tried the Rain-X in the past. This one didn't work for me. It only worked for a month or two. Then it got hazy again. Let's see how this one works out. So the Meguiar kit comes with the two sanding pads, the buff-in pad, and the applicator for the sealant. The Rain-X kit came with multiple sanding pads, and the buffer, the sealant, and the cleaner I've thrown away because I already used the kit. And they have expired, but I do like the buffer for the Meguiars better. Seem to give it a better shine. We'll see how it ends up, but they do say it will keep it clear for 1 year, so we'll have to wait and see. But I do like this kit better so far. I tried this one. It seemed to only stay clear for a few months. So now I'm trying it again, and I'm using this one. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you out.